This video will show how to make architecture 3D model in Blender. I will use a floor plan as a reference, so I delete the default objects and go to the top view. I have a floor plan image, click and drag into viewport, select it, and move it to origin. And go to Objects Data Properties. I can scale it up. I'd like to make it semi-transparent, so decrease the opacity. Also, I want to make it not snappable, so I disable selection here. So I cannot snap it anymore. Then I will limit to floor plan. Now we can activate an add-on for building architecture 3D model. Go to Edit, Preference, Add-ons, and search Archimesh. And check the box to activate. Close it. So go to the tab Create. We have Archimesh menu. Firstly, we can build the wall, and we can create room to have a wall and move it. We can increase the thickness of the wall. And we can increase the length. If we want to add the wall, we can increase number of walls here. And the second wall, we can make it in negative value. And add the third wall. And increase it. Maybe I should adjust this distance. And increase the wall length. And then add the fourth wall. Increase the length. And add a wall. Make it negative. And the firewall, we can check the box, close walls. Actually, we can have an option to make a base wall. We can increase the width to make it visible. And also we can adjust the height. I keep it in default setting. Next, we can build the inside wall. I go to top view, click room to add a new wall, move it down, and rotate it. Click Ctrl to snap, then increase the thickness. Also increase the length. Add the second wall. Make it in negative value of the length. In 3D, there's a problem if two surfaces are together, so I suggest the height decrease a bit. Also, same as before, we can increase the width of the baseball. and then build the wall of the bathroom. Click room to add a new wall. Move it. Rotate. Click Ctrl to snap. And increase the thickness. Increase the wall length. Add the second wall and increase the length. Make it less height. And add the board thickness. Now all the walls are built. We can add the elements into the scenes. For example, we can add door, windows, cabinets. I want to show how to add a door. Click door and select the door group. We can move the door. I go to top view and switch to X-ray mode and active wireframe and move it here. Now I can select the hierarchy and copy and paste. Move it in this location. And we can see that the door opening direction is on the right, but the handle is on the left. So we can go to door frame and use rotation and 180 degree to correct the direction and move it. So we can duplicate it, copy and paste, and move it. Select hierarchy and copy and paste and move it. It is a main entry, different size. So we can go to door frame to adjust the size, increase the frame width, and we can adjust the height, the thickness. I keep it this setting and move it a little bit. Oops. And increase the width again. So all the doors are built. Now we can add windows. We have option to add rear windows. Click to add and select window group to move it. Go to top view and adjust the position. We can go to window frame to increase the width and select the window group again. Move it to 1 meter height. Select hierarchy, copy and paste. Move to next wall. And we can go to window frame, go back to the panel and rotate it to 180 degrees and move it down. Snap hierarchy, copy and paste, and move it to the background. And go to window frame to decrease the width. Now we have the windows. Next, there are another option of window to add, panel window. Click to add. We can move it here and go to window. In the window panel, we can choose other size of the window and we can add the pen or decrease the pen and make it 4 and make it thinner. Also, we can adjust the size here and 45. Now, go to the top view and move it here. And snap window to rotate to 90 degrees. And adjust the position. And snap the hierarchy, copy and paste, move it here. And snap hierarchy, copy and paste, and move it here. Snap hierarchy again and copy and paste, and move it here, and snap window to rotate it. Now we can snap all 4 windows and move it together. Now all the walls, doors and windows are built. Now we can make the hole on the wall. I go back to solid mode and snap the door. We can go to door frame and the door. We can rotate to open the door. And then snap the wall. There is a button auto holes. Click it. All the holes are built. Also, this is another wall. Go to this wall and click auto hole to make the hole here. Same, snap this wall and auto hole. Now all the walls, doors and windows are built. We have option to add floor and ceiling. Go to the main wall and we can check the box to activate the floor. Also, we can add the ceiling. We can look inside. We can see that we have ceiling and the floor. Add the attic now and go back here. In addition, we can show the dimension of it. We can click to show it, and we can adjust it, the size and the distance of the measurement, and we can hide it. And then we can set a render preview. We can close this panel and add sunlight. Go to side view, G to move it, out to rotate it, go to front view, and out to rotate, and switch to cycle, and check render preview. Select sunlight and go to object properties, and we can increase the strength, and also we can soften the sunlight by adjust the angle. And I'd like to make the floor plan invisible and add another plan. Scale it up. Add material to white. Actually, there's some problem if two surfaces are together. This black edge is come from the baseboard. So I'd like to go to modifier to adjust it to make the surface separate. Make it in all the wall. This is the video to show how to make architecture 3D model from the floor plan. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Archimesh. See you in next video. Bye bye.